stop guessing on the strawberry banana Swiss roll recipe in Craft Food Roblox. This is exactly how you craft it, without failing once. Most other tutorials for this rare pastry are confusing or just plain wrong, because they forget the rolling mechanic that actually determines the quality of the item. Before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic, or you'll just get stuck again with a flat sponge cake instead of a perfect roll. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on these complex baking sequences, and we are going to do this hand in hand and step by step so you cannot fail. First, you need to combine 2 strawberries, 1 banana, and 1 bag of flour in the mixing bowl. The secret trick that other creators missed is a temperature shock. You must bake the cake base in the oven for 10 seconds, but then immediately move it to the prep table while the steam effect is still visible. If you wait for it to cool down, the dough will crack when you try to roll it, and the recipe will fail. While it is still steaming, click the Swiss roll tool and drag it in a circular motion 3 times. This locks in shape and adds a cream filling automatically, resulting in a high-tier strawberry banana Swiss roll that grants a double experience point boost for 10 minutes. Comment if you want the solution for the next level, the triple berry cheesecake.